brand new assassin to the channel. Yes, sir. All right. So we're gonna remove this and the amp. Previous owner's gonna take that out. We got that, but we have the new rear bumper for it. Not even tripping about it. Clear coat. We got carbon fiber, real carbon fiber for it. These anemic 2.5 short ram. Nope, we're getting rid of that too. I got some oil smell like burning, but that's gonna go. And in need of a new windshield. Clear coat peeling all over the place, but we'll address that and fix everything else up and just make it work. Afro Z Assassin back with another banger. So if you got a 370Z, hear that buzzing, and it sounds like this, yeah, this most likely is your culprit, and that's the ABS pump. And it goes on like that while the ignition is turned off. Rather than spend $1,300 on it, I got this used from a vehicle that allegedly had 50,000 miles on it. Looks in pretty good condition, which is why I chose it. And yeah, basically everything to be lit up like a Christmas tree in your gauge cluster is the other symptom that that ABS pump is going faulty or having issues, other than the fact that when you turn it off, it'll keep running. So that goes off. And that's still buzzing. All right, now I broke these loose just a tad bit just to ensure the size, and that all these are 10 millimeter, these are 12. All right, so right now I've removed the cap to the brake fluid reservoir, and I've makeshift bled all that from the front two wheels. I'll move on to the rear wheels if needed. I will check the reservoir to see if there's any fluid still left going through the pump, and I'll go from there. All right, like I said, those are 10. I believe those are 12. Yes, these are 12. All right, so I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 unbolted, 1, 2 unbolted. I loosened this side considerably to give me wiggle room with this. Now below this, inside the fender, probably right around here, is gonna be where those 3 mounting bolts are. I'm gonna take this off, which doesn't seem to be holding on by much, or just move it out my way considerably and do my thing. It looks like staples and some zip ties are holding it together. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, get those bolts. I believe they're 12 millimeter bolts, but I'll verify. I'll try to get some video. Just keep moving right along. All right. So I was able to pull it out of my way, or pull the fender liner out of my way. I got that nut, and there's one down here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little dark in here, but one down here, one right here, and one right here. Should it release that, I'll be able to wiggle it out. Okay, I need both hands, so I'll get back to you. All right, So there is the affected component out of the vehicle. Visually, it's showing from the exterior point of view. Doesn't look damaged, but it definitely was humming. It definitely was shot. So let me go get the new test subject. I don't think I need the mounting brackets. They came on with the newer used part, and yeah, go from there. All right, here we have the new used one and then the damaged one. I'm gonna try to get it mounted up and plug it in, connect the battery, and see if I hear any harmonics coming off of it. Actually, I probably should just plug up the lines. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
To like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, which will help me with the YouTube algorithms. And don't forget to comment. Please comment. I value the commentary simply because it helps me get better.
All right, I got these all secured, buttoned up. The power connector back in. Those are tight. Yeah. Those are snug. I haven't zipped them all the way on yet, but I will in just a sec. And in theory, if that was indeed the problem, when I connect this, I shouldn't have any buzzing. In theory. Also in theory, when I go around front and turn this thing on, those lights should disappear. In theory. I still have those because there's no fluid in there yet. So, I'll get some fluid in there. I'll start to bleed the lines. Let's see how this goes.